Hello and welcome to Slow Foxtrot Basic and Beyond lesson. Here we explore advanced figures which we can build from basic figures. And today we will look at 3-step with spin ending and 3 feathers. And now let's welcome our wonderful demonstrators, Romance and Violetta. And we start with 3-step. Today we will look at interesting ending of 3-step. Now basic 3-step is slow, quick, quick, but we will add at the end pivot. We take 2 first steps, slow and now we dance pivot with brush. Now let's look at Romance and Violetta. They will show us first of all basic 3-step. And slow, quick, quick. Very good. Let's look again from opposite angle. And slow, quick, quick. And now we will add turn. After first 2 steps we will add turn from spin turn. So slow and quick brush quick. From opposite angle. And slow and quick, quick. Now another interesting figure is called 3 feathers. So we start with first feather, man goes outside on left side, second feather, lady goes forward outside partner, and third feather is normal feather finish for man. Let's look again. So man starts with left foot, lady with right foot, and we dance slow and quick. This is first position, quick, quick, second position, quick, quick, quick. So we have 3 feather step positions. Now let's look again, this time without stopping. And slow and quick, 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 quick. Very good. From opposite angle. And slow and quick, 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 quick. And now let's combine 3 feathers and 3-step with spin ending. So we start with 3 feathers, first one, second one, third one, 3-step and spin ending. Very good. Let's do it again. This time with teaching count. Slow and quick, 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 quick. Slow and quick, quick. And now another interesting figure we will develop today is natural weave from promenade. Slow, quick, 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 quick. Very good. Let's look from opposite angle. So we will start from promenade position. And slow, quick, 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 quick. And now we will add 2 steps and figure is called extended natural weave. We will add 2 slow steps. Slow, quick, quick, slow. Slow, quick, 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 quick. And let's look again from opposite angle. Slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, 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 quick. Now, before extended weave, let's dance running finish to promenade position. So we dance running finish, ended in promenade position, and we dance extended natural weave from promenade position. Very good. Let's do it again from opposite angle. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, 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 quick. And now let's put together our today's routine. We start with preparation step, then feather step into 3 feathers, followed by 3 step with spin ending, running finish to promenade position, and extended natural weave from promenade position. Very good. Let's look again, this time with teaching count. Five, 6, 7, 8. Slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, 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 quick. Slow and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, 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 quick. And now to music. Thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.